Why work so hard? Come sing with me.
I must store food for winter.
Why work so hard? Come enjoy the summer day.
You should too.
Why work so hard, Anne? Come enjoy the sunshine.
Winter is coming.
Why work so hard? Come sing
Out
with
by
me.
the
I must
green
store food for
field,
winter.
Why work
the
so hard?
grasshopper
Come enjoy the
sang.
summer day.
You should
he
too.
leaped
Why
through the
work so hard, Anne?
sunshine
Come enjoy
and
the
made
sunshine.
the
Winter
day
is coming.
Why
hang.
work so hard? Come sing with
And
me.
I
found a
must store food for
berry,
winter.
Why work so
and
hard?
carried
Come
it
enjoy the summer
home.
day.
You should too.
One crumb
work
at
so
a
hard, Anne?
time.
Come
Now
enjoy the
she
sunshine.
never
Winter is
would roam. The clouds rolled over, the wind grew cold. The grasshopper wondered
Why work so hard?
who
Come sing with me.
would
I must store food for winter.
Why work so hard?
keep
Come enjoy the
working,
summer day.
keep trying.
Why work so hard?
Little by little, save for the winter, bit by little bit. Keep working, keep trying. That's how we get through. A small, steady step can carry you
Why work so hard? Come enjoy the summer day.
You should too.
Why work so hard, Anne? Come enjoy the sunshine.
Winter is coming.
He knocked on the door frame. He bowed his head low. Dear Aunt, can you help me? I had
Why
nowhere
work
to
so
go.
hard? Come sing with me.
I must
She
store food for
opened the
winter.
Why work
pantry.
so hard? Come enjoy
She
the summer
shared what
day.
she
You should too.
stored.
Why work so hard,
Then
Anne?
taught
Come
him a
enjoy the sunshine.
lesson he